Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make burgers with mince. First, select good quality mince, ideally with an 80% lean to 20% fat ratio for optimal flavor and moisture. Divide the mince into equal portions, then gently form them into patties about 3/4 of an inch thick. Make sure they are slightly wider than your burger buns, as they will shrink during cooking. Season both sides generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Now let's get cooking. Preheat your grill or a heavy-bottomed pan to medium-high heat. This ensures a fantastic sear and a delicious crust on your burgers. Place the seasoned patties on the hot surface and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes per side for a medium doneness. Remember, resist the urge to press down on the burgers with your spatula, as this squeezes out all those wonderful juices, making your burger dry. Once your burgers are cooked to perfection, it's time to assemble. Lightly toast your burger buns. This adds a lovely texture and prevents them from getting soggy. If you like cheese, place a slice on top of the patty during the last minute of cooking so it melts beautifully. Then, layer your burger with your favorite toppings, such as crisp lettuce, fresh tomato slices, and thinly sliced onion. Before serving, let your cooked burgers rest for about 2 minutes. This crucial step allows the juices to redistribute throughout the patty, ensuring every bite is incredibly moist and flavorful. Serve your delicious homemade burgers immediately with your favorite sides, whether that's crispy fries, a fresh salad, or something else entirely. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling amazing. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.